Here is a quick tutorial on how to use the Read Aloud function in Microsoft Edge to help you on your assessments. You will see I have my assessment open right now on Canvas, and I have this big text for Prometheus that I need to read. If I struggle with reading this on my own, or if it's useful for me to listen to it, the way that you would get to a read aloud is to go up into the right-hand corner where you see these three dots. You're going to click on the three dots, and then you're going to go down our list until you see this A with the sound waves. And you'll notice it says read aloud. When I click on this, it's going to start reading aloud right away at the very top of the page, which you will see as it highlights the words as it reads.
Unit 2 Mid-Assessment. Compare and contrast themes in
You can pause it. You've got your directions up here. You have a few voice options. You can speed it up or slow it down. I recommend having it around the normal speed. You also do have a few different options. I wouldn't change the voice too much because sometimes we get into different dialects. We want to keep it on natural English. The best thing about this read aloud is that you can pause it and you can start it wherever you need it. So if I want my read aloud to start here, I would highlight. You can quickly highlight by just double clicking a word and then pressing play.
Prometheus. Prometheus and his brother.
You can pause it. If I need to use it to listen to my questions, I can scroll down to my questions, highlight my question, and click play.
Using the context. What is the meaning of the word wrath as it is used in the text?
You will want to pause it once you are ready to answer your questions so that it stops reading and you can then answer your questions.